Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs at the YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do Current Affairs MCQs from 30th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. If you like this video and find informative, please subscribe to my channel. So coming to today's first MCQ, the Solid Waste Management Rules 2026 have been notified under which Act? Option C, Environment Protection Act 1986. The Solid Waste Management Rules 2026 will come into force from Option C, it will come into force from 1st April 2026. Environmental compensation under Solid Waste Management Rules 2026 is based on which principle? It is based on polluter pays principle. Which authority will frame guidelines for environmental compensation under SWM Rules 2026? Option D, Central Pollution Control Board CPCB. Under SWM Rules 2026, solid waste segregation at source is mandatory into how many streams? Option C, 4 streams. Which of the following is not one of the 4 prescribed waste streams? Option D, hazardous waste is not the part of 4 prescribed streams. Paint cans, bulbs and expired medicines are classified as? Option D, special care waste. Which one of the following qualifies as a bulk waste generator? Option A, waste generation of 100 kg per day or more. Bulk waste generator status can also be determined based on what? Option B, floor area greater than or equal to 20,000 square meters. Environmental compensation under SWM Rules 2026 shall be levied by? Option D, SPCBs or PCCS. A buffer zone is mandatory for waste facilities having capacity exceeding how many tons per day? Option C, 5 tons per day. CETP stands for? It stands for Common Effluent Treatment Plant. CETPs are classified by CPCB under which category of industries? Option D, blue category. CETPs continue to be regulated under which acts? Option B, Water Act 1974 and Air Act 1981. ESMA stands for? It stands for European Securities and Markets Authority. The RBI ESMA MOU aims to enable recognition of? Option C, CCIL, that is Clearing Corporation of India Limited. BISAG-N functions under which ministry? It functions under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Vedic Kavach is associated with? Option B, that is quantum resilient cryptographic software. The new Aadhaar app emphasizes which principle? Option D, data minimization and consent control. One family, one app concept allows. So it allows management of up to 5 Aadhaar profiles on one device. India and European Union cooperation on 6G technologies is pursued under. It is pursued under Trade and Technology Council. Bharat 6G Alliance has signed MOU with. So it formed alliance with 6G Smart Networks and Services Industry Association. Best marching contingent among the 3 services at Republic Day Parade 2026 was. Option A, Indian Navy. Best tableau among states or union territories at Republic Day Parade 2026 was awarded to. So it was awarded to Maharashtra. Ayush Excel stands for. It stands for Ayush Export Promotion Council. Ayush Excel signed an MOU with which company? Option C, it signed an MOU with Zepto. Ayush Excel was launched in which year? Option C, 2022. The Digital Personal Data Protection Framework referenced in Aadhaar app is governed by. Option B, Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. So that's it for today everyone. If you like this video and find informative, please subscribe to my channel, and I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.